Stood by me whenever I always have a question when I'm around. To my classmates who have saved my skin countless of times during group assignments, to our teachers, teaching and non-teaching staff, family, parents who have been nothing but loving in turn to us from our online classes.
We gather to give you thanks for the journey that has brought us here today. We are grateful for the lessons learned, the friendships formed, and the personal growth we experienced throughout our years. Bless us with open hearts and minds as we move forward, ready to embrace new opportunities and to contribute positively to the world around us.